Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this beautiful gold cut crease, almost like a foiled gold cut crease, using a cosmetic line that I've never tried before, Kokie Cosmetics, and I'm going to be using their Arabian Nights Essentials Eyeshadow Palette. So if you're ready, let's begin. Before we start with the makeup, let's finish up with the brows and the base and all that good stuff. For the brows, I'm using my favorite brow pencil. This is precisely my brows from Benefit in the shade 4. Using the Milani concealer in 145, I'm going to clean up the borders of my brows, and I'm also going to use this concealer as a base for the eyeshadows on my lids. I'm using the Airspun translucent powder only above my crease to help with blending. With a small blending brush from Colourpop, I'm going to first dip into Royalty to build my crease. I'm going to be using Fury to diffuse this out with another blending brush, again from Colourpop. To increase the intensity at the crease, I'm going to use Royalty one more time, and the brush that I'm using is a flat, dense brush from Milani. Because I have hooded eyes, I want more lid space, so I'm going to be cutting the crease above my natural crease line. You can see my natural crease passing right across my lid. And then I'm going to clean up the lid space with some micellar cleansing water. I'm going to take it with a Q-tip and clean it up before I paint my lids with a concealer. And the concealer that I'm using is the Milani in 135. In the darkness, down low, scattered in the gravel, vapor escapes us in thin air. And while the concealer is still tacky, I'm going to mix two eyeshadows, golden and bronze, and I'm going to apply it right on top of the concealer. Like an injury, soaked in luxury. With a flat shader brush, I'm going to first soften the lower lash line using Fury. And then I'm going to apply Royalty closer to my waterline using a pencil brush. And to intensify this even further, I'm going to be using a little bit of Rebel very close to my waterline, and then I'm going to use it to deepen the crease line as well. And the brush that I'm using is a small definer brush from ColourPop. In the inner part of my lower lash line, I want to use the two metallic eyeshadows that I used on my lid, and for that I need a tacky surface. So I'm going to be using some concealer, and then over that I'm going to use the two metallic shades. Using sand, I'm going to highlight my brow bones and inner corners. In the waterline, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Gel Liner. And then I'm going to prep my lashes for the false lashes by curling it and applying a coat of mascara. The mascara that I'm using is the Ofra Cosmetics HD Mascara. And for lashes, I'm using the Tati Lashes in TL9. And here's the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know by commenting below. And if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Take a moment to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. For your convenience, I've listed all the products that I've used in the description box right below this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.